stage. Come up on stage. Clap, clap. Bear your glares. जब पैर पे आँख पे रखो.
अब चढ़ना मुश्किल हो रहा है.
Yeah, very good. याद है. अब हुई ना बात.
गुड है.
DDR is an amazing team, sir. I mean, look.
गुड. आइए.
Okay.
DDR जिंदाबाद है.
Amazing sponsors are Air India Sats and Anil and Abhishek. Air India Sats and Anil and Abhishek are our
Congratulations.
sponsors.
बहुत बढ़िया. Good.
Moving on, top 3 male. Top 3 male, 5 kilometers. Bib number 5162, Pradeep Yadav ji.
कहाँ है?
Bib number 5162, Mr. Pradeep Yadav. 5 किलोमीटर 20 मिनट में 20 minutes and 48 seconds. Kudos, sir. Moving on.
फैंटास्टिक.
क्या बात है? Congratulations. Moving on.
गुड. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो भाई. बढ़िया. हाँ, एक माइक दे दिए. चल जल्दी क्विकली कुछ एक ऐसा बताओ. हाउ आर यू फीलिंग?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं फर्स्ट आया हूँ और ये मेरे सर है DFG ग्रुप से.
हाँ, ये
प्रैक्टिस कराते हैं हमें और इन्होंने ग्रुप बनाया हमारे.
बहुत बढ़िया.
बिना कोच के ये पॉसिबल नहीं होता है सर. कोचिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ट्रेनिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
चलिए अब आप ATA का ग्रुप बनाइए सर.
बना रखा है.
ATA का ग्रुप बनाइए.
Okay, he is Delhi Police employee and still doing his job. Salute to Delhi Police team. Very good. क्या बात है. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Enjoy the moment with your coach. Party tonight. Yes. Thank you. Of course, of course, of course. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Now we would like to thank our partners and our sponsors. So, the sponsors. कोई भी इवेंट में हमेशा बोलती है we are very grateful to the sponsors. May I request the representative from AI SATS to please come up on stage. Representative from AI SATS to please come up on stage. जल्दी आ जाएंगे. Air India. Air India SATS.
Good, welcome. Thank
Now
you.
please
Thank you.
the moment token of appreciation and love from the organization. आप ऊपर आ जाओ.
हाँ.
नहीं आप ऊपर. The Arun Aviation Services. The Arun Aviation Services. Yes, can the team of Arun Aviation Services come up on stage, please? Yes, clap for them, please.
हाँ, right. Yeah. हाँ, ये आइए जनाब, आइए. बहुत बढ़िया.
May we also now request Skyway Group. The Skyway Group to
आ गया ये.
please be ready now for the next. Can we have the official photographer?
हाँ.
Achha, can we just do this a bit later because we need to capture this first. Skyways Group to please come up on stage.
हाँ.
Captain Malik is here and maybe request.
नहीं, उनके बाकी लोग भी तो आ रहे हैं.
You were
चलो, तुम दो.
incredible and I like your biceps.
आगे.
Very, very good. Hard work.
आओ, आओ.
Hard work. Hard work. 3 किलो है. 2.5 किलो actually. Sir.
एक सेकेंड रुको.
Wasim sir. May I now request Arun Food Services.
हाँ. सब आइए ज्वाइन.
Malik sir.
हाँ, तो आप भी तो आइए ना. हाँ, यस.
Jake, to please come up on stage.
WFMS का भी आएगा ना. मोमेंटो.
Can we have the Worldwide Facility Management Momente? The Momente for the Worldwide Facility Management. Yes. Right now it's a thanks to Mr. Abhishek and everyone closer, Malik sir, everybody. Thank you so much. Moving on, Rohit ji. So may I now request our sponsors here, as we have done Skyways, now we have Edify Sports, our timing partner, Sachin ji. Edify Sports, I think he is there. He is. Mr. Sachin from the Edify Sports, doing an incredible job. Pan India. I keep meeting him across India, all over and in Delhi NCR. Amazing smile, great
battery
personality, and a
charge.
great job.
Battery-
You and your wife are missing Namita today. Congratulations, Sachin. Congratulations.
आइए
For this Hello Tempe. Hello Tempe. Any representative from Hello Tempe? Any representative from Hello Tempe? Yes, for Hello Tempe, मैं सर ये आपको बताना चाहूँगी. They have ready-made protein. आप खोलो, उसको थोड़ा सा stir fry करो या air fry करो, and it is good to go, good to eat. Like your sandwiches, coleslaw sandwiches, open sandwiches, paneer tikka. I have loved your tofu paneer tikka. So thank you so much for coming here and supporting us and giving us protein. Moving on,
सावरी की बंदा खुश होएगा क्यों नहीं खुश है इट हैज बीन
the Bird Delhi General Aviation.
ग्रैंडियर और इवेंट है हो गया
Bird Delhi General Aviation. Any representative from the Bird Delhi General Aviation?
no no in spite of all odds we have done it that is the beauty
Look at this.
that's the beauty
Okay, okay. The sir
Right.
is taking on behalf.
हाँ.
Any representative from the Travel Food Services?
travel food
Travel Food Services. Moving on.
भिजवा देंगे उनका चलिए
Moving on. The next one, Rohit ji, would be the next one. Yeah, good. The probiotic healthcare.
Okay,
The
right.
probiotic. Trust me, it is very, very, very good. And
बिल्कुल ठीक है
इतनी तारीफ कर रहे हैं हम सबको एक्स्ट्रा याकुट चाहिए.
हाँ नहीं
So Yakult.
we should encourage them हाँ all right thank you भाई so nice of you
Very nice.
all the best
Thank you.
आपका प्रोडक्ट सबसे पहले खत्म हुआ. It is known, people know about it. Good, congratulations.
Okay, this event has been beautifully managed by the V-Chaser. So may we request Abhishek, Rohit and everybody from the V-Chaser. Thank you for bringing me and everyone up on stage. So please come up on stage. Come up on stage, aa jaiye. This young man who has been briefing me since morning, why don't you also come up on stage? Mr. Rohit, himself a very great runner
Yes.
and doing a great job. Abhishek, as we all just now heard. So there they are.
Good.
With them, yes.
very good
Okay. Abhishek ही आप रुक जाएंगे. Where is Abhishek? Okay. Mr. Abhishek Rathod is the race director. और चूंकि हम सब फिटनेस में जो जानते हैं फिटनेस में वो जानेंगे आयरन मैन क्या होता है. So through the race director of this event, Mr. Abhishek Rathod.
Exclusive to him.
Exclusive, yes. You deserve it. You deserve it.
very
Okay, for the ATA, for Air Travel Association, and for them who have made this event a memorable one. ऐतिहासिक event तो हो ही गया है, दिन भी बड़ा अच्छा है.
हाँ.
25-5-25.
हाँ right
Isn't it, sir?
बहुत बढ़िया
है कि
है.
नहीं?
बहुत
जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है.
Yes,
है ना?
we believe in
तो
that.
हाँ, Exactly.
Devta is with us.
हाँ
हाँ, इंद्रदेव इस बता से उन्होंने ये माहौल इतना अच्छा था, अभी तक गर्मी नहीं लग रही है.
हाँ,
वरना
yes.
हालत खराब हो जाती है.
Exactly right.
हाँ जी, sure, sure.
तो आई थिंक सुबह से आप जो इतनी एनर्जी के साथ जो म्यूजिक और ये की आवाजें सुन रहे हो ना,
हाँ,
I think
हाँ.
So much, sir. Yes.